Just going to check out the fuse boxes on the Citroen Berlingo. You go under the driver's wheel, look up, obviously you've got the cover on, which just unclips, drops down, and you can see all of your fuses. Ignore some of the dodgy wiring in mine, weren't me, but don't fix what ain't broken in my opinion. So there you go, that's all your fuses. You need to consult your Haynes workshop manual to find out which is which. Or you can go through one by one testing, but I wouldn't fancy that. Right, under the bonnet. Okay, under the bonnet. We have the under the bonnet fuse box. These are your main fuses for your engine management and fuel pumps, battery, etc. There's your ECU attached to the back of your battery. I think you might have a little ECU on your pump as well, but no, it don't look like it, but it has got some sort of electronic control on it. And that there is your glow plug relay. So that's it. Glow plug relay, main engine fuses, and all your other fuses are internal. Your ECUs there.